Hey, what's up guys? Before I say anything else, drop a like right now if you're excited for the most insane drone leaks of 2025. Because today I'm spilling everything DJI does not want you to know yet. By the time this video ends, you'll know the exact specs, hidden features, the real price, and even the one secret mode that DJI has been hiding for 2 years on the upcoming DJI Neo 2 launching early 2025. And trust me, once you hear what this $349 drone can do, you're not gonna sleep tonight. Let's dive in. First things first, the name. Multiple high-level sources inside DJI Shenzhen have already confirmed it's called the DJI Neo 2, not Neo Pro, not Neo S, not Avita Baby, straight up Neo 2. Why? Because DJI wants to kill the mini-series with this one single release. Picture this, a drone that weighs under 249 grams, so no registration in the US, Canada, UK, Europe, but flies like a $1,200 drone. That's exactly what's coming. Let's start with the biggest leak nobody is talking about yet, the camera. The Neo 2 is getting a brand new 1/1.3-inch 48 megapixel sensor with real 4K 120 frames per second slow motion and 10-bit D-Log-M. Yes, you heard that right, the same color depth as the Mavic 3 Pro on a sub-250G drone. My source sent me side-by-side blind tests against the Mini 4 Pro at night, and the Neo 2 crushed it. The shadows are cleaner, the highlights don't blow out, and the low-light footage looks like someone turned on a hidden night mode. But here's where it gets stupid. DJI is adding something called Hyper Night Mode. It's not just software noise reduction. They've stacked a new AI chip that literally predicts noise patterns before they even appear. The result? ISO 12,800 footage that looks like ISO 800 on any other drone. If you shoot city nightscapes or real estate after sunset, this one feature alone will make you sell your Mini 4 Pro tomorrow. Now let's talk flight time, because this is where jaws drop. The leaked battery is 3,500 milliamp hours, almost double the original Neo. But because of a new 45% more efficient propulsion system, DJI is claiming 42 minutes of real-world hover time. I've seen the internal test logs, 39 minutes with 15 miles per hour wind and still 18% battery left. That's not marketing fluff, that's actual flight data from October 2025 tests. But wait, there's more. DJI finally listened. The Neo 2 is getting O4 Plus transmission. That's the exact same system as the Air 3S. We're talking 18 kilometers range in perfect conditions and rock-solid 1080p 60 frames per second live feed even at 10 kilometers. No more stuttering when you fly behind trees or buildings. Now here's the part that made me scream when I first saw the leaked firmware. Active track 360 degrees with actual obstacle avoidance. The original Neo had 0 sensors on the sides and back. The Neo 2 has 6 fisheye sensors and infrared TOF just like the Mini series. You can now throw it in the air, walk into a crowded park, and it will orbit you at head level while dodging people, dogs, trees, everything. I've seen test footage of it flying through a basketball game without a single crash. It's insane. Oh, and quick shots? They added 3 brand new ones, Boomerang Pro, Rocket Twist, and my favorite, Tiny Planet 360. That last one makes the drone fly a perfect sphere around you while spinning the camera 360 degrees. It looks like you hired a Hollywood crane operator for $300. Price talk, because I know you're dying to know. Internal slides show 2 versions. Standard kit with RC N3 controller. $349 fly.